developer settings on the search. Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More. This is Kim and welcome to another video, where in this one I will be showing you how you can fix Wi-Fi name not showing on Android. This one is simple, but the only problem is that since Android devices have different OS or operating systems, I may have to ask you, the viewer, to find out some parts in the video or in the tutorial on your own, because I cannot specify how or where you can find something that I can find on my mobile or my phone. So my phone is Xiaomi. I'm using Hyper OS, which is something that's available on many other smartphones, Android smartphones, but may not be available in famous ones such as Samsung. So here we are currently on my home screen, and where I want us to head next is settings. By swiping down here or wherever you want to find it, maybe in your home screen you might find your settings here, like this one. So now once we are at settings, what I want you to do is click on about phone or about device, whatever it's called for you. And here we will find the info and the specs about our devices. And usually you need to click your OS version multiple times. Wait, yeah, you have to click it multiple times, and now it says that I'm only 2 steps away from being developer, which means I will be given soon access to developer settings, which will be needed for this tutorial. So here we are, I am now the developer, and what I'm gonna do next is go back, scroll down until you find additional settings. For me, for you, you might be able to search up developer settings on the search bar, which you can find here if you can't find it by scrolling, because some other devices have some much more intricate or complicated way of hiding the developer options just for your security. So click on developer options, and once you're here, you can see that it's already turned on. Next, what I want you to do is scroll down until you find something called tethering hardware acceleration. So let's just enable that. Go back. Once that is done, you can search up network, because what we're gonna do now is to reset our network settings. As for me, when I search up network, it doesn't really appear first on the list, but sometimes you can just search up reset network and it should appear. As for me, it's this one. It says reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. And now what you just need to do is click on reset settings. I'm gonna draw my pattern, and then once you're done with that, it's gonna reset your settings, including forgetting your Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fis that are saved, and you may have to start from scratch. But that's okay, since you will be able to find or access the names of the Wi-Fi connections that you are searching for after you're done with this procedure. But for me, I don't have any problems with this, so I'm just gonna click on cancel. But that's it. That is how you can reset your Wi-Fi, or like find or fix Wi-Fi name not showing on Android. And I hope this video helped you. Again, thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.